In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import external videos into OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own footage into OpenArt's video-to-video, upscale, and extend tools so you can start creating right away. Make sure you're signed in, have your video file handy, and a stable internet connection for faster uploads. Start on the OpenArt homepage and hover over the video section in the top navigation. This reveals all the video tools in one place and makes it easy to choose the workflow you need. Click on Video to Video to begin. This workspace is designed to take an existing clip and transform it using OpenArt's models while preserving motion and timing. To import your external video, either drag and drop the file into the upload area or click the Upload Video button and select it from your computer. Both methods work the same. Choose whichever is most convenient. You'll see the file name and a progress indicator as the upload begins. If you've added videos before, you can also pick one from your history. This is handy for reusing a source clip without uploading it again. With that done, let's move to Video Upscale. Return to the Video section and open the Upscale tool. Upscaling enhances resolution and sharpness while keeping the original look and pacing, which is great for improving clarity before further editing. Just drag and drop your video into the box or click to upload. If you want to reuse a previously imported clip, select it from your history instead. This keeps your workflow consistent across tools and saves time, especially for larger files. Next, open Extend Video from the same video section. Extend Video lets you continue the motion and style of your clip beyond its original length. As before, import your external video by dragging it into the upload area or choosing the upload option. If you've already uploaded the clip in another tool, simply select it from your album or video history here too. Using history ensures you're working with the exact same source without duplicates. A few quick tips as you go. Keep the browser tab open during uploads. Name your files clearly so they're easy to spot in history, and make sure you have the rights to any footage you import. Processing time depends on video length and settings, so give it a moment to complete. That's it. Hover over Video, use Video to Video, Upscale, and Extend, and import your footage by dragging it in, uploading, or selecting from history. You're now ready to bring external videos into OpenArt and build your creative pipeline end to end.